everyone, it's me Siddhant and today I am going to tell you that how you can use the Cortana in Windows 10. So in order to use the Cortana in an effective manner, you need to have updated Windows 10. So it is only possible in Windows 10 to use Cortana. It is impossible in Windows 10. I mean Windows 7. So um, so in order to open Cortana, what you have to do is if you are using the Windows 10, there are various versions of Windows 10. So if you are using the older version of Windows 10, still you can find Cortana, but you cannot experience all the latest features of Cortana. So you need to have the latest version of Windows 10. Right now I am using the latest version of Windows 10 version 2004. There is another the new version that is 20h2. You can also install that, but now let's continue. So in order to open Cortana app, you can go to the source panel and you can type there Cortana and just click that. Pops up. Now in Windows 10 by default Cortana symbol, this type of circle is kept on your taskbar. You can just see this symbol, talk to Cortana or Cortana, just click there. Click there and it will pop out. You can yes maximize or minimize. Now I suggest to minimize this. Now if you are opening it for the very first time, it will ask you to sign in with your Microsoft account. So you have to sign in and you can continue. Now I'm going to tell you that how you can use, but before knowing how to use, let's know that for what purpose Cortana app of Windows 10 is used for. So basically Cortana app is used for to get the instant answer of our informational question, or in order to set up the alarm, or to remind you for some task and all. So you can also use it as a browser, but remember your make sure your device is connected to the internet. Yes, now I have connected my device to the internet, then only Cortana will work. So if you are using the latest version, you can also type you can ask question to Cortana by typing, but in the older version of Windows 10 you cannot type. So this is one improvement. Now here the very reliable and comfortable way to ask question is just voicers. Now let's me give an example. Here you can see this mic type of structure. Just click that. Let me show you. How is the weather?
Right now it's cloudy and 59. The forecast shows mostly sunny skies with a low of 44.
So as you all listened or heard my this question, so this is telling the weather of Narayani, Nepal. So I have put the location also. Before using Cortana, you can set up some settings. For example, you can set up settings by going to microphone and you can enable the Cortana Hey. So now let me ask another question. Okay, uh, what is the definition of science?
Science means the intellectual and practical activity encompassing the systematic study of the structure and behavior of the physical and natural world through observation and experiment.
As you all listen that how we can get the instant answer, so this is uh, used in order to get the instant answer. You can also type instead of speaking, so but I prefer let's speak. Yes, it's instant. Yes, so instant you can get the answer. Now I also told you that you can also use it as a alarm. So how you can set or use this Cortana app as a reminder or alarm. So for that I'm going to speak. Let me. For you need to speak in softer, slowly, not very fast, and in clear manner. So, okay, now can you please remind me to do my homework?
All right, when should I remind you?
Can you please remind me at 4 p.m.?
Okay. I'll remind you today at 4 p.m.
So as you all heard that we can also use it as an alarm. So first you need to tell that remind me, can you please remind, or would you like to remind this was make sure you use the word remind, and it will ask you the time and you can tell the time. But before going to time you have to set up the settings time, because the by default it is set up the time of USA, so you need to you can set it up. Now if in your Windows 10 this voice search is not working, what you can do is, I'm going to tell you that you can go to the search panel and you can type here microphone, and you can hear microphone setup, just click that. Now here what you have to do is scroll down, and here you have to choose the language English United States. You can go to speech, this is, and you can also set up the time, the reason here, the date and time. You can set up it all the things. It is very easy. Or you can also go to the settings, and from here you can set up I mean this time and language. You can go this time and language and you can all get these options easily. Yes, and even your problem is not solved, you can activate your mic. You can set up of your Windows, Windows speech. You can set up of your Windows speech recognition. Yes, that is like how you speak, your way of speaking to understand your system. Yes, go back to Cortana. Now as I already told that which questions, now let's come up the this topic, that which questions should we ask. The informational questions, the questions which you the questions whose answer you of which answer you want to get instantly. For example, I want to know the time, date, today's date. Now let's me can also type in what I am going to speak. Can you please tell me the today's date?
I'm sorry, but I can't
Now,
help with that yet.
now have you seen that here I have spoken, I have spelled all in an incorrect manner, so it is saying I'm sorry but I cannot, but I cannot help with that. Yes, so make sure you spell clearly. Let me try it again. What is today's date?
Today is Wednesday, January 27th, 2021.
Now see the what is the difference between these two questions. Previously I asked can you please tell me between, I happen to think, but here I have just say what is today's date, say clearly in any clearly manner. Okay, so here today's date is Wednesday, January 27. So I hope you must have learned many things to use Cortana as a alarm and to set up your PC for Cortana to use it. Okay, so please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.